Number 5. VegTrug Extra Large, Brunswick Green Pet Bed. Kuranda Pet products are designed to give you and your pet years of faithful service. The unique long-life fabric cover is warranted against UV degradation. For a full 5-year, the fabric that breathes and resists mold and mildew is also ideal for pets due to its resistance to insect and bacterial infestation. Not to mention its ease of maintenance to clean pet hair, fur and other material. Number 4. Paws and Pals Elevated Dog Bed. Indoor-outdoor pet camping, raised cot for small or medium dogs, and cat with folding metal frame, and off-ground cooling hammock. Versatile and durable, the camping pet bed's structure provides added comfort and support by creating low-impact areas for pressure points and joints. Plus, its elevated design allows for increased airflow. It will keep your pet off of damp, cold, hot, and uneven surfaces. The bed is made from heavy-duty, lightweight, and breathable waterproof Oxford cloth, while the folding frame is constructed from sturdy metal with high-quality plastic feet. Number 3. Kuranda Dog Bed. Chew-proof all aluminum silver. Indoor-outdoor elevated bite-proof. Easy to clean, dries quickly. Heavy-duty vinyl fabric. Elevated raised orthopedic design to keep your dog dry, cool, and comfortable indoors and outdoors. Easy to clean, guaranteed to stand up to repeated cleaning. Heavy-duty 40 ounces, solid vinyl, is our most durable fabric. It's ideal for determined diggers and larger, heavier dogs. Its smooth surface is easy to clean and great for outdoor use. Number 2. Paws and Purrs Modern Pet Sofa. Removable zippered cover for easy cleaning. Ready to assemble back and legs. Recommended for small to medium-sized pets. Included components: modern pet sofa, 31.5 inches wide, low-back lounging bed with removable mattress cover in gray. Age range description: all life stages. Number 1. Petique Bedside Lounge Pet Bed. One size. Petique Zebra Vibes Bedside Lounge Pet Bed. In khaki is the perfect all-in-one pet bunk bed for your cats and dogs. Upper and lower level, natural lounging environment. Removable fleece top, 2 mattresses covering, and PP boards for weight support and allows safety from accidents.